Okay, so you've purchased your triptych and I'm going to show you how to hang it today. The very first thing that you need to determine is how high up the wall you're going to hang it. That's up to you. And then the middle point from wherever you're going to place it. So if it's middle over your couch or middle on the wall, you're going to need to measure that. And then with a pencil, you're going to just mark that center point of where you're going to hang your pictures. Okay, the next step is the most important step, and that is to draw a line on your wall, and it has to be level. That's the real key, so that when your pictures get hung, they're all lined up. Okay, so you're going to put your straight edge on the wall, make sure that it's level with the level. Then you're going to take that off. Let me put that there. And then again with your pencil, you're just going to draw your line across the wall. And it needs to be over 40 inches. Okay? All right. So, once you have that done, you need to get a piece of tape and we're going to mark out the dimensions. And I've already got these written down, but I'll explain to you what I've done. So you're going to put your piece of tape out on your table, and you're going to start with a 0, and then you're going to go all the way over here to 40. All right? Then you're going to mark at 20 inches your middle point. Then you can go back here, and from 0, you're going to mark at 2 inches, 8 inches, 12.5 inches, 27.5 inches, 32 inches, and 38 inches. Those are the points at which you're going to put your nails in the wall that are included in your package. Okay, let me get those. Put that on hold. Hangers. There's a little piece like this and a nail. Okay? And the nail goes through the front like so. Okay, this flat is going to go against your wall. All right? So, the important thing is that point of your nail needs to sit on the line that you just drew at 2 inches. Okay? And then with your hammer, make sure you don't slide, you just tack that into your wall. Okay? And then you're going to do that with each point along this thing. Now remember, you're putting it in the point of your nail is going on the pencil line that you drew, not on the tape. Okay? So again, point at 12.5 on the pencil line. That goes in your wall. You don't want a nail in your middle point, so you just go back out here to 27.5 and 32 and the next one, sorry, dropped one. So that goes on your line again at 38. Okay? So, once you have those done, you can take your tape off. You don't need that any longer. And if you have a magic eraser or a cloth with some, you can erase your lines. Okay? Let me get the arm. Your canvases on the back are going to sit right up on top of those screws, okay? I want to show you underneath here. You can see that the hooks are not quite as wide as the canvas. And that's so that when you put your canvas on your wall, you can slide it back and forth a little bit. That will allow you to determine how close you want them to a certain degree, okay? So you just stack them up on your hooks. You're going to center your middle one. Did 2 slides a little bit back and forth. That one, once you get that where you want it, you can move these like quite a ways out, like so, or you can move them in a little tighter if you desire. But there you go, hung on your wall.